Hey everyone, just wanted to do a super quick update on what's been going on. For those of you who are interested in the upcoming laser cutter build series, I'm in the final stages of design for the version 2 model, so I want to start ordering parts, begin fabrication. That's going to start happening in the next few weeks. And of course I'm going to be filming and documenting step by step that whole process, so we'll be able to build that machine along together. If for some reason this is the first video you've seen of mine, welcome. But what I just said will have made no sense to you, so let me just recap super briefly. About a year ago, I designed and built a laser cutter to kind of suit my needs and budget. That's this guy here behind me. I put out a video of a very general overview of that whole process, and a lot of you expressed interest in knowing more information, better documentation, and all of that good stuff. And that's what I hope to give you in the version 2 model and the upcoming laser cutter build series. I want this series to be a complete resource, one that doesn't just stop at the machine we build together, but also dives a little deeper into the how and the why of running a laser machine and how you can use one to start a small business. I've used this one behind me almost daily for the last year, and it's been an absolute cornerstone of my little side business, so I want to share that knowledge and experience with you as well. So expect those videos to start coming out in the very near future. Now what I need from you is to give me some more information about what you want. What sort of size machine do you guys want to make? Bearing in mind bigger isn't always better. What kind of things do you want to be making? What sort of materials do you want to be cutting? Just so I can provide you with kind of the most accurate information I can as well. Yeah, after the laser cutter build series I've got some super exciting stuff lined up, so definitely stick around for that as well. I think that was all I wanted to say. Yeah, I mean, as always, if you have any questions, drop them below and I'll try to get to them. I gotta get back to work, so I'll see you next time.